All right, welcome back to the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. All right, now we're going to talk about temperature settings with ChatGPT. What you can do, and you may not realize this, but once you put in a prompt, if depending on what you want to do in your prompt, like let's say you want to just have a user guide, some type of user manual that's very conservative and fact focused. You would use a low temperature like zero point 0.2, let's say. It's usually a range between zero point 0.1 and 2.0 as being one of the higher temperatures or the highest with ChatGPT. Because once you get higher than 2.0, it can get really wild. So just to kind of summarize the temperature concept with ChatGPT, lower the lower the temperature that you tell it in a prompt, the more focused and predictable and conservative the results will be, not creative. The higher temperature you go, the more creative, the more random, the more risk taking your prompt results will be. So this is a great opportunity if you want ChatGPT to help you brainstorm something, to come up with some outside the box ideas. You're going to do your prompts, write your prompts with a higher temperature setting. All right. So let's do an example. I'm going to share my screen here with ChatGPT and how it we can weave our temperature setting into a prompt. Using a temperature of zero point 0.2, write an introduction for a blog post about the importance of digital marketing. So if you remember what I just said, zero point 0.2 is very low. It's predictable. It's very basic. All right. And it's going to give us a very conservative blog post here. Right. It's very, basic. It's not going to go crazy. Right. Now it's still writing it. But now what I want to do is try something else. Using a temperature of 1.5, generate brainstorming ideas for a fantasy novel set in a future where AI has taken over the world. All right. So now let's see what happens. Quantum dream weavers. AI has woven a network of quantum dreams that creates alternate realities for humans to live in. The Silicon Fae, the Inverted Oracle, Dragonfire and Data, WitchNet, the Last Enchantress of the Machine Realm. And this is all of these results are because we asked it for a temperature to use a temperature of 1.5 instead of 0.2. Try these different temperatures, play around with it. Try 0.5, 0.9, 1.1, do all kinds of things here with your temperature. Have some fun with it. And whether you're writing a sales page or whatever you might be doing, your website, a blog post, an email, there are all different directions you can go depending on the temperature setting of your prompts. So that's it for the AI Copy Lab this time around. I'm Andy O'Brien, and I'll see you next time.